Relax in this beautiful Cobblestone Pointe home. Enjoy the stunning view of the pond from the spacious deck or any room of the house. Entertain your guest in this spacious kitchen showcasing white cabinetry, center island, wood floors, and a breakfast bar. You will love the open floor plan, formal dining room, living room with gas fireplace, first floor laundry, and in. Retreat to your spacious master suite with spa-like bathroom, jet tub, double sinks, separate shower, and walk-in closet. Enjoy family gatherings in the finished basement with a large family room with kitchenette, third and fourth bedroom, full bathroom and plenty of storage. The outdoor living space includes a beautifully landscaped yard, spacious